The following plot indicates the weekly new case trend in year 2021 for the United States, Australia, New Zealand, Canada, Sweden, and Denmark. The peak weeks in the United States are concentrated at the beginning and the end of the year. Similar trend also happens in other countries. The primary reason is the holidays. For instance, there are at least 3 major national holidays in US during this time slot: Thanksgiving, Christmas, and New Year's. In addition, most education institutions are having their winter break from December to next January, in which case there are more crowd gathering activities during the holiday season. As we know, COVID-19 is a highly contagious disease. The crowd caused by holiday celebration event could speed up the spread of the virus. Since the death number is highly correlated to the case number, a similar time series pattern appears at the weekly new case trend. This study compared the COVID-19 spread with economic indicators such as housing. Some insight could be obtained from correlation study. For example, the case number can be significantly impacted by the vehicle number in each household for occupied house unit, and the rent as a percentage of income for occupied unit paying rents. In addition, the house vacancy rate could represent the population outflow rate. Under a higher house vacancy rate, the area's actual population could be smaller than the population on the census record. As a result, 3 assumptions could be tested in the model. Assumption 1, does a higher house owner vaccine rate lead to a higher COVID case number? Assumption 2, does a country with more occupied housing with 3 or more vehicles available has a higher COVID case number? Assumption 3, does the higher percentage of housing unit with a mortgage lead to more COVID case? In order to test this hypothesis, a linear regression model has been built. The p-value for each predictors in the model summary could identify the significant level. Only the feature percentage of occupied housing rate with 3 or more vehicles available has a smaller p-value than the significant level of 0.05. Therefore, we don't have enough evidence to reject null hypothesis for assumption 1 and 3, but there is sufficient evidence to reject the null hypothesis for assumption 2.